Are you thinking of switching your Instagram professional account back to a personal one without losing your post or followers? You are not alone. And the good news is it's super easy. I will show you how to do it in just a few taps. Alright, let's jump right in. Open an Instagram app and go to your profile page. Now tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner from the menu that pops up. You'll ultimately switch to settings and privacy page. Next, scroll down a bit until you find for professional and hit on creator tools and controls. From the creator page, scroll down and hit on switch account type. Now navigate to switch to personal account. Instagram will give you a quick heads up that you will lose access to professional tools like posts, insights, promotions, and your business category. But don't worry, your content, followers, and messages stay exactly the same. And just hit switch to a personal account. And boom, you are back to a personal account. Plain and simple. So what really changes when you switch? You will no longer see analytics for those posts, and you won't be able to boost your content or run ads. Also, the category under your name like artist or entrepreneur will disappear. But if you are not actively using those features, switching back gives your profiles a more relaxed and personal feel. And that's it. You have officially switched back to a normal Instagram account. No stress, no data loss, just a few taps and done.